So this remedy is for those people that have severe wrinkles. If you're in your 70s, you can apply this treatment to look far younger than your age. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, even if you are 70 years old, yes, I just said it. Even if you are older, you will look far younger than your age. People will be shocked how young you look. Like, this is going to reverse your age, minimizing those wrinkles, making sure that with consistency, you will not see those wrinkles anymore. This is by using the ingredients you can find in your kitchen to achieve a natural younger look. So without wasting time, let me tell you the ingredients to use, how to prepare it for best results. If you still want to apply this treatment to delay signs of aging, like if you are younger, you can still benefit from this treatment because it makes skin clearer, it makes skin glowing, it removes dark patches and makes sure your skin is younger. So you have to get egg. Inside this egg contains egg white, egg yolk. So the egg white is that transparent one that is stretchy. You know, that transparent liquid in it, that is the egg white, and it's very tightening. It helps to tighten the skin, firm saggy skin, keeping your skin looking more youthful, like delaying signs of aging. If you have wrinkles already, with consistency, you will not have them anymore. The egg white will also help to get rid of excessive oil on your skin. I use it a lot because I have an oily skin. You know, once in a while, I break it open, separate the egg white from the egg yolk, apply it on my skin to glow my skin and to also minimize so much oil on my skin, keeping the skin looking beautiful and younger. So what you have to do, you have to separate the egg white and the egg yolk. The egg yolk is that yellow part of the egg. Keep it aside. And the egg white is also the one I'm talking about. Keep it aside. So after doing so, I'll tell you when to make use of the egg yolk for best results. You have to get aloe vera gel. Yes, aloe vera gel is very important for the skin, for aging skin. It helps to firm up the skin. It helps to keep the skin looking smooth and fresh. It helps to delay signs of aging, like removing fine lines, wrinkles. With consistency, it will get them out of your skin finally. So you can also make use of it to treat irritation, to treat stretch marks. You know, it's one of the ingredients for treating stretch marks. It helps very well. You can use the plant aloe vera gel. You can also make use of the cosmetic type, which is 100% natural. Use any product of aloe vera gel and you will love it. Aloe vera gel helps to treat sunburn as well, like helping to get rid of sunburn, redness of the skin, irritation. It suits irritated skin greatly. So the next one to get is rice powder. I love rice powder a lot. Rice powder helps to exfoliate the skin really well. Like the results will give you a clear, brighter skin, removing dead skin cells, giving your skin a flawless look and younger look. So right now I'm making use of a natural light. So you can see the shadow. So this is how my skin is. You can see it. No makeup and my skin is looking is glowing. Okay, so make sure you get rice powder. If you do not have rice powder, you can make use of oat powder. You can make use of baking flour. So that is the flour you can use if you don't have rice powder. So you can actually turn your rice grain at home. Turn it into a powder form by using your blender. Blend your rice grain until it's in a fine powder. If it's not really in a fine powder, use your sieve, you know, your strainer. You know, filter it until the particles are very smooth like this, and you're all good. That particular rice is more organic than this one. Okay, if you make it yourself, it's 100% organic. So rice powder will help to give your skin looking the best. It makes your skin lighter. It gets rid of sunburn. It helps to fight free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. Go on and get rice powder and you never regret it. Do not joke with sugar. Sugar is a must-have. Like white sugar or brown sugar, they are very important for the skin. They are very exfoliating, and sugar contains alpha hydroxyl acid, a very mild natural acid that your skin will love, nourishing your skin, protecting your skin, and making sure you are aging less. Like it's going to be delaying signs of aging. Your skin will be glowing all the time and looking younger. So you have to get your sugar, either the white one or brown one, like I said. So it's time to show you how to mix them together. The first thing to add into the mixing bowl is the egg white, the whole egg white, the transparent egg white. Transfer it into the mixing bowl. Then you have to add 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Only 1 tablespoon is enough. Add it into the egg white in the bowl. Then the next one to add is your sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of your sugar. Everything 1 tablespoon. And you go on and mix them together before adding the next ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. So go on and add half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Remember, it shouldn't be up to 1 tablespoon. Half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. But in case you want to make a large amount of this remedy, you want to increase the quantity, just go on and double the ingredients, the quantity, add it into the bowl so that it will be enough to spread all over your body. After adding half tablespoon of aloe vera gel, you go on and add the egg yolk, the yellow part of the egg. That is if you have a dry skin. Add the egg yolk. But if you do not have a dry skin, maybe you have oily skin like me, go on and add only the egg whites, please, only the egg whites, and you're all good. And that is all. So mix everything together, mix them together. If your treatment is still very watery, all you have to do is to increase the quantity of your rice powder to thicken it. In case your remedy is still very thick, go on and add either a little water or increase the aloe vera gel just to make it the way it should be. It's not supposed to be watery and it's not meant to be very thick. So just be mixing it until it's very smooth and there are no lumps in it. So after that, you wash your skin thoroughly, remove all makeups. Like now, I don't have makeup. Okay, just apply it all over your skin and you surely love it. Everywhere you want to treat, anywhere you want to look younger, you can apply on your hands to remove dark patches, knuckles, to treat uneven skin tone. Just apply it on your feet, to make sure they are looking younger, clear and beautiful. So after applying it anywhere you want to treat, you have to leave this treatment for 15 minutes or above. 15 minutes up, then after that, you wash it out. Use a lukewarm water or not, wash it out and apply a light moisturizer. So if you do not have a specific moisturizer, use almond oil or vitamin E oil or sunflower oil. These are the oils that will suit all skin type without darkening you, without bleaching you, just very nourishing because they contain vitamin E. And vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that will nourish your skin, will protect your skin from aging. So go on and apply this treatment, wash it out after 15 minutes or above, then apply a light moisturizer and you're all good. With consistency, your skin will be aging backwardly. Like it will look far younger than your age. This is something that if you apply 3 times weekly or every day, you'll be looking younger and younger all the time. So you can store the remainder of this treatment in the fridge. Leave it for maximum of 5 days. After 5 days in the fridge, you can trash it out, make a fresh one. So you have to keep it, chilled because of the egg. When egg stays for a long time without refrigerating it, it will have a smell. So you can decide to make a fresh one anytime or just make large amount, store it in the fridge and make sure you discard it after some days. Use this treatment 3 times weekly or every day for best result. Wash it out after 15 minutes like I said and your skin will look the best. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.